Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the TCT or the timing chain tensioner on a Honda S2000. It is helpful to know how to do this because it is very common to replace or repair failing OEM timing chain tensioners. Anyway, let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is remove the maintenance cover if you haven't already. Use an 8mm hex drive to remove the maintenance cover bolt. This bolt will be located to the right of the timing chain tensioner and should not be confused with the bolt in the middle of the cylinder head. Next, insert the timing chain tensioner into the cylinder head. The timing chain tensioner should only fit one way with the NTN logo facing right side up. Once the timing chain tensioner is resting inside the cylinder head, use a 10mm socket to tighten the two bolts securing the timing chain tensioner to the cylinder head. Torque them to 8.7 foot-pounds. It is important that these bolts are evenly torqued so that the gaskets don't leak. Once the timing chain tensioner is bolted up, it's time to pull the pin holding the piston back. Insert a set of needle nose pliers into the maintenance hole, clamp down on the pin, and carefully pull it out through the maintenance hole. Now that the pin is pulled out, you can reinstall the maintenance cover. Insert a new crush washer onto the maintenance cover bolt, and then use an 8mm hex drive to reinstall the maintenance cover bolt. Torque it to 22 foot-pounds. The last thing you'll want to do is reinstall the air intake. If you need help installing your air intake, I've got you covered with videos that will be linked down below. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. As always, feel free to leave a comment down below with a video you'd like to see in the future.